Hey guys, welcome to DSC. Hope you all are doing well. We have started with the module GE3 differential equation, and this is the first lecture, exact differential equation. Now if we look on to the syllabus, the first we have got is first order exact differential equation, and first we will do the theoretical part and then we will move on to the practical one. Now, if we look at the standard equation of an I-order differential form is m of xy dx plus n of xy dy. And if we look onto the derivative form, we have got dy by dx equals to f of xy. Talking about the definition, the expression m of xy dx plus n of xy dy is called exact in domain D if there exists a function of two real numbers in such a way that this expression equals to the total differential df. Now here total differential df refers to del f by del x dx plus del f by del y dy. Now del f by del x is the partial derivative with respect to x, keeping all of the variables constant, or we can say keeping y constant because we talk about x and y. Similarly, del f by del y is partial derivative with respect to y, keeping x constant. Here we use the expression del f by del x and not df by dx because we take partial derivative first with respect to x and for y, then with respect to y, that is del f by del y. Now, as per the definition which we did earlier, the expression star is exact if there exists a function such that del f by del x equals to m of xy and del f by del y equals to n of xy. Now, if we look on to how we got this expression that it is exact, then del f by del x equals to m of xy and vice versa for y. Then we had an expression earlier that df equals to del f by del x dx plus del f by del y dy. Similarly, we had one more equation, the standard form, that is m of x y dx plus n of x y dy. Comparing the two equations, like looking onto the coefficients of dx, we got that del f by del x is m of xy. Similarly, del f by del y is n of xy. Now this is example solving total differential equation. Now we are given with the function f of xy, that is xy cube plus 2x square y. Here del f by del x is keeping y as constant, so it will come out as y cube plus 2x into 2. Now we missed out y here, so it will be y and 4xy. Again with del f by del y we have x cube y square plus 2x square. That's not actually x cube, that x into 3y square. So we got 3xy square plus 2x square. Now we had the total differential as del f by del x dx plus del f by del y dy. Putting on the values of del f by del x and del f by del y, we got y cube plus 4xy dx plus 3xy square plus 2x square dy. Now this is the most important condition to remember if we come on to the practical part. Now this is theorem 1, wherein we consider the standard equation, that is m of xy dx plus n of xy dy. Here m and n, they are the first order continuous partial derivatives. Now we are given that if the differential equation A, like this one, is exact, then del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. Now if we talk conversely, if we are already given, मतलब अगर हमें पहले से ही given है that del m by del y equals to del n by del x, then we can say that the equation A is exact in domain D. Now this is example wherein we check whether the equation is exact or not. We are given the same function which we have used is, we are given with the equation xy square plus 2x cube y. Here first we'll calculate del f by del x, which is y square plus 6x square y, and del f by del y is 2xy plus 2x cube. Now the total differential which we got is df is y square plus 6x square y dx plus 2xy plus 2x cube dy. This is as per the standard form which we used earlier, and now we have got m and n as per, if we compare the coefficients of dx, like here we have got m of xy is y square plus 6x square y and n of xy is 2xy plus 2x cube. Now here del m by del y is 2y plus 6x square and del n by del x is 2y plus 6x square. Now how we got this is, we took partial derivative of this m with respect to y, and then we took the partial derivative of n with respect to x. Now if we see that they both are equal, hence the equation is exact. Next we have got a full question wherein we find the function. First we check the exactness and then we find the function. So we are given an equation. It is 3x square plus 4xy dx plus 2x square plus 2y dy. Herein m is this one, n is this one. Like I've written m and n, and now I'll derivate m with respect to y and n with respect to x. We've got 4x. As they both are equal, the equation is exact. Now we'll find f. How? Del f by del x was m of xy. So 3x square plus 4xy, this one is del f by del x, and this one is del f by del y. Next, the way to find out the function is integration of m of xy dx plus 5y. Here we'll first calculate 5y and then we'll put on the values. So we will integrate m of xy with respect to dx. So it is 3x square plus 4xy dx plus 5y. The integration will come out as x cube plus 2x square y plus 5y. Now if we see this is f of x. Like first we will partial derivate it with respect to y, which is 2x square plus del 5y upon dy, d 5y upon dy actually. And we already calculated in the previous slide that del f by del y is 2x square plus 2y, right? And now we have got that del f by del y is 2x square plus d 5y upon dy. So we got d 5y upon dy as 2y. And now to remove the derivative, we'll use integration. We'll integrate both the sides, then we'll get 5y equals to y square plus c naught, and f of xy is c1, like it'll be equal to any constant. Then we'll put on the values of f of xy. Like from here it was x cube plus 2x square plus 5y, so it is x cube plus 2x square y plus 5y. Instead of 5y we'll write y square plus c naught equals to c1, and now we'll take an arbitrary constant like c is equals to c1 minus c naught, and then we'll get the equation which is x cube plus 2x square plus y square equals to c. Hope you all like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel so that we are motivated. And the next video we will bring of 2 to 3 questions, the practical ones, like the last example which we did, full-fledged questions like this, and we'll calculate the function, and then we'll have the grouping method which is much more easier. So stay tuned for that. Thank you.